Hi, I'm Barb from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and I want to show you something on the Triumph today. Now, the stitch I'm going to show you can be done on any machine, but I want to show you on the Triumph. I have it set up in a 3-thread overlock. So if you want to know how to do a 3-thread overlock, look on your quick reference threading guide.
Okay.
Okay? Tells you exactly what to do. I've got it all set up. I've got it all set up. And here we go.
Now, I got a question.
Yes.
You don't use the thread cutter.
You know, sometimes I just don't.
Okay.
Because my scissors are right here. And I just grab
but
them.
you could use the thread cutter.
Yes, it does have a thread cutter, and I should do that. I should definitely do that.
No, it's just wondering.
That is a good thing to wonder. Okay, we're going to do this again. Maybe I'll use that thread cutter this time.
If you can remember.
Did I get it?
Slick.
It
Yeah.
was pretty slick. Okay, I'm going to go from a 3-thread overlock to...
What do you use that for?
This would just be a finishing seams. I'm going to go into a rolled edge. All right, so remember down here, I'm going to put it in. I'm going to change just 2 things. I'm going to take my stitch finger out, going into a rolled
Okay, so we're in a
edge.
rolled, so it's... Okay.
Do you see that? It's kind of hard to see that with that
what are
thread
we
in
looking
there.
at?
See my stitch finger? I'm just going to pull it out of the way.
Ever so slightly.
Ever so slightly. I'm going to change that setting, and I'm going to change my stitch selector down into D.
Okay.
Okay.
And it tells you on your...
It does. It does.
On your card.
And here I go. Oh, I love this kit. I love it. I just get in habits. Okay, so there's my rolled edge. Now I'm going to change it back to a 3-thread overlock just so you can see how easy and wonderful this is. So I just changed that back to like a 3 and this one into B. Okay. Now I'm going to do a 3-thread overlock.
Let's see.
Look at the difference.
Now, this one is one that you use on the bottom of a t-shirt, or?
Well, no, this one could be anything. Finishing a seam. This one I would use like on a napkin or joining fabrics together, all sorts of different things. But that's what I would do with those, and that's how easy that is.
Well, that was simple.
I know. Piece of cake.
Wow.
And any of our sergers do that.